In this video, I will show you how you can change the wallpaper on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the notifications panel on your iPad. And after you open the notifications panel, now just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen. Now to change the wallpaper, you can either tap on customize and you can customize the current wallpaper, or you can tap on the plus icon over here. Now you can select any of the default wallpapers which are available over here, or you can select photos and you can select a photo from the Photos app. For example, I will select this photo. Now you can zoom in or zoom out as you like, and after that just tap on add. You can set this wallpaper as the wallpaper of your lock screen and the home screen, or you can customize the home screen. For example, I will set it as both. Now if I go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the wallpaper on our lock screen and on our home screen. And if you want to customize the home screen separately, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen and tap on edit. From here, just tap on edit wallpaper. Now as you can see, currently we are pairing the wallpaper of the home screen to the lock screen. But you can set a solid color, you can set a gradient, or you can select any other photo from the Photos app. Just like that. You can apply filters by just swiping to the left side. And once you're done editing your photo, then tap on done. Select done. And as you can see, this is how you can change the wallpaper on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.